Alrighty guys, hello and welcome to a new video. It's April 1st, aka April Fool's Day. Oh god, it's very windy. It is Tuesday, April 1st, at 2:22 p.m. I am here to catch the California Zephyr with a nice P-42 DC on it. Anyways, let's get into it. Now this is going to Emeryville, California. Sorry if I butchered that name. Anyways. And there's a freight train down there. My first time catching superliners, and that was nice. A V-liner lounge right there on it too. Nice. Anyways, how far is that freight train? Alright, well the freight train's not very far, so it should come here in about 2, maybe 3 minutes. But for you guys, it's gonna be about a second. I'll see y'all then. It is 2:24, April 1st, Tuesday. See y'all soon. Alrighty guys, it is now 2:25, so it has been 1 minute. And this BNSF train is now a lot more closer. And yeah. Here it comes guys. Let's get into it. Whoa! A nice little public services truck. Don't cross the tracks, don't cross the tracks. Oh crap. We got a water! We got a water! Anyways. Let's get back into it. And those rolling stock sounds heard in my ear. Not DPU at the well, not DPU, but those locomotives at the store was very loud, especially that one that went or something. But yeah, I'll see y'all on the next train, which will be here in about 15, almost 20 minutes. It is 2:28 p.m. Tuesday, April 1st, and yeah. Hashtag spring break. I'll see y'all on the next one. Bye. Anyways, guys, I turned around to look for another train, and guess what I found? A BNSF intermodal train coming right this way. Anyways, guys, let's get into it. Time is 2:31 p.m. Wednesday, April 1st. Holy! This was a nice train, and that train with the DPUs gave me a nice horn show. But dang! That's a lot of JB Hunt intermodal coming to Chicago and out of Chicago. Dang, and they both trained me here at Hisnsdale train station. The time is 2:34 p.m. Wednesday, April 1st. Anyways, guys, I'll see y'all on the next train, and that Metra, and it is a Metra train. But yeah, I'll see y'all here in a few minutes. In a little bit. See y'all. Bye. Alrighty, guys, it is 2:39 p.m. Tuesday, April 1st, and this Metra train is coming and it came around the corner. What's that on the thing, on the road? And whatever. And not road, I mean rails. It's probably just nothing. But whatever. And we have 2 green light signals going going towards that Metra. So I'm pretty sure there's going to be a few more freight trains coming through before rush hour, which will be happening in about 20 minutes. So yeah. Anyways, this Metra train is probably about to pass West Hisnsdale station about now-ish, since it's turned the corner. But anyways, looks like it's passing West Hisnsdale now, since no cars are passing through, or at least near it. What are you doing? Don't stop on the track. Yep, it has officially passed West Hisnsdale station now, considering that it looks a lot past it now. But once rush hour starts, that's when West Hisnsdale will not be an express stop, it'll be an intermediate stop, aka a local stop. But anyways, let's get into it.
BNSF train number 1262 to Chicago Union Station is now arriving. Please step behind the yellow line.
After this comes out, then yeah, whatever. Anyway, I don't know what I'm saying. Anyways, hashtag number 192 for that PHM-3. Anyways, the time is 2:43 p.m. Tuesday, April 1st. See y'all on the next Metra train when rush hour hits. Anyways, see y'all. Hashtag rush hour is about to start. Okay, guys, I just crossed the tracks to this side to get ready for the next train, and there's another Metra, Amtrak train. I don't know what train this is. Holy! This is an Amtrak train. I was not expecting this. Holy! It is 2:45 p.m. Tuesday, April 1st. Holy surprise! Right after this Metra train too. And it's coming fast. I'm pretty sure this is Superliners with it. And it's another Drevo. Not Drevo, I mean P42. Do you see it? Anyways, guys, let's get into it. Surprised. Okay, I'm gonna review the footage, and in editing, I'm gonna try and I'm so confused. What is Amtrak bringing to somewhere? What? Anyways, guys, that was so strange. I'll put something up in editing before the next clip or something, if I find out more information. But, wow, that is strange. But anyways, guys, I'll see y'all in the next, I'll see y'all when the next train gets here, which is most likely a Metra. Anyways, guys, see ya. Guys, I was just reviewing the footage, and here comes a surprise Metra train. I don't know what Metra train this is. It might be an express, but yeah. Anyways, let's get into it. The time is 2:50 p.m. Tuesday, April 1st. Let's get into it, guys. So much train activity. Holy, the wind! Holy! Two immediate green lights. Holy moly! Today is such a strange day. I'm glad I picked today to go train spotting. But anyways, I'm gonna try and review that Amtrak footage more before the next Metra train that's in rush hour. That was a surprise express train. Holy. And yeah. I'll see y'all on the next. Oh my, okay. A freight train is coming. I look behind me and I see two lights. A few lights. Well, guys, today is a really busy day. I'm glad I picked today. Holy. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna cut to when the next when the freight train gets a little bit closer, I'm just gonna pause the video and not cut it though. I like stop it and start a new clip. Actually, no, I'm not gonna stop it and then pause it. Sorry, I don't know what. Sorry, I'm just excited and I'm just excited. That's all. Anyways, guys, let's get into this BNSF freight train. Oh, is this a slow one? Ah, never mind, it's quick. BNSF. And there's another green light for platform 1 of the Hisnsdale train station. Okay, I guess it's train rush hour right now. I think that green light is for the next Metra train. But anyways, okay, that was nice. Alright guys, I'll see y'all on the next train. Time is 2:55 p.m. Tuesday, April 1st. See y'all. Alrighty guys, this is now a Metra train that is coming our way. It is currently 3:09 p.m. It is now rush hour time. So hashtag rush hour. And it is also Tuesday, April 1st. And yeah. The Metra train is just right down there. This is like the last Metra train right before it starts rush hour, so it will not be stopping at every single stop. So yeah. Anyways, let's get into it. It looks to be an F40 PHM-3. It came in fast. Wow. It came in at like 40 miles an hour or something. Holy, it came fast. Oh, it pushed me forward. Holy. I was worried I was going to miss the stop and I have to back up. Anyways. Anyways, guys, I'll see y'all when the next train comes. And I'll probably be soon since it's now rush hour time. I'll see y'all on the next train. Bye, y'all. Alrighty, guys, it is currently 3:22 p.m. This is the first rush hour express train that is coming. It is Tuesday, April 1st. Oh god, this is... And, yeah, here comes an express train. Another F40PHM-3, I'm pretty sure. Yep. Anyways, let's get into it. Let's fix this. Pushing the tripod down just for it to not fall. Holy moly. Oh, what? Holy. It is 3:23 p.m. Tuesday, April 1st. And it is rush hour. But, yeah. Anyways, I'll see y'all on the next train. Bye. Alrighty, guys, it is 3:49 p.m. Tuesday, April 1st. Here comes a Metra express train going to LaGrange and then to Aurora. Expressing to LaGrange, and the destination stop is Aurora. And as you can tell, there's another train coming right behind it, which is a Metro train to Fairview Ave. But yeah, let's get into it. It looks to be a normal F40 PH-2 and not a -3 with the lightning strike. LaGrange. Let's see how far that is. How far the metro is. Alrighty, well, that metro is like 2 or 3 minutes away, so, and it looks like another normal F40PH-2. And the time is 3:51 p.m. Tuesday, April 1st. Man, I picked a good day. But anyways, guys, I'm going to pause the video here until it gets a little bit closer. Alrighty, guys, it is now 3:52 p.m. Tuesday, April 1st, and yeah, the metro train is a lot more closer now, and they're gonna stop at that stop right over there. So yeah. Well, maybe, I don't know. Yeah, it's stopping there. We're just gonna do a quick stop because the sensors are already triggered. Never mind. Alrighty, sensors should be triggered again now. Come on, trigger the sensor. Come on. Alright, there it goes. I hear it. I think. Oh yeah, there it goes again. Anyways, let's get into it now. Again, from that one express train that I had. Either that's an ad or it's just a special livery. Well, guys, as you heard on that announcement, "9 minutes." So, yeah. I'm not gonna go on the other side for that one because it's rush hour, so you never know, another train might be coming. But, yeah. Anyways, I'll catch ya on the next metro train. See ya! Anyways, guys, I just heard that announcement. Anyways, it is currently 4 o'clock. It is currently 4 o'clock. It's currently 4 o'clock, and on April 1st, Tuesday, and this metro train that's going I'm sorry. In the last clip, that train is going to Aurora. I actually made a mistake. This train that's coming to us right now is going to Fairview Ave at Downers Grove, not Aurora. In the last clip, I said that Metra train was going to Fairview. I'm sorry. Just to point that out. So yeah. Anyways, that Metra train is quite far away right now, so I'm gonna pause the video and wait for it to get a little bit closer. Alrighty guys, it's now 4:02 p.m. and this Metra train is now a little bit more closer, and yeah, it's about to trigger the sensor for the crossing, but it has to stop at that station over there right now for a quick minute. What's taking so long? Okay, they're moving now. Anyways, the trigger should be re-triggered here in about now. Now. It should be triggered by now. Oh, there it goes. But yeah. Anyways, let's get into it. And this is a normal F40PH-2. Dang, that took a long time to stop. That one. And alright guys, well, I'll see y'all on the next Metra train. The next Metra train will be on that side. So, and yeah, I'm going to be staying on this side because it's rush hour and I don't want to be moving back and forth and whatnot. But yeah, see y'all on the next train. Bye! Alrighty guys, it is 4:42 p.m. Tuesday, April 1st, and this is gonna unfortunately be the last train of
The next
today.
eastbound train approaching your station will not stop.
Wait,
For
actually,
your safety, please
it's an
step behind the
express.
yellow line.
I thought it was gonna stop, but
The next
yeah.
eastbound train approaching your station will not
Let's
stop.
get into it.
For your safety.
Oh God! Holy! That was quick! And there's another train coming. Right in the middle, and I can tell it's a Metra because of that flashing light. Holy, that was quick. Once this next Metro train passes in the middle, that will be the last train of today. Alrighty, guys. See y'all. Oh, BNSF. See y'all on the next train. Bye. Alrighty, guys. It is currently 4:47 p.m. and this is not the last Metro train. I'm on this side because there is another Metro train coming right after this Metro train. So yeah. And then after that will be the Metro Express. And then it'll be, yeah. Anyways, let's get into it. And as you can tell, over there, oh god dang, it's actually a racetrack right now. But yeah, over there is the middle Metro track one, and that one is the one that'll be actually the last one. But yeah, here comes the express train to Lagrange. No, not Lagrange. Whatever. To Fairview. Anyways, let's get into it. Metro train that we will be catching for the day. The time is 4:50 p.m. Tuesday, April 1st. And I'll be pausing the video and not cutting it. So, yeah. Alrighty, it is now 4:51 p.m. Tuesday, April 1st. And the Metra train is a little bit closer now. And it's gonna fall through to the distances. Oh god. Please go back up. Please go back up crossings. Thank you. here it comes now. Crossing, can you go back down again, please? But yeah, this will be the final train of the day. So, yeah. And it'll be the end of the video right here. After this train passes. But, yeah. Raising the tripod. But, anyways, let's get into it. Quite a late stopper, don't you say? I am in 17.5 times zoom right now. Just to see this train. But yeah, this will be the final video. No, video? I mean Metra train of the day. So with that, I hope you all have an amazing rest of your day or night or whenever you're watching this. And I thank you for watching this video, as I am a new Railfan / train spotter, and if any of you know what those two BBL coaches or bi-level coaches were being, why they were being transported or what they were for, please let me know here in the comments. And yeah, it'll be very, very much appreciated. So yeah, and with that, I would like to see you on the next video. Goodbye.